All right, today I am at the Impressions Expo and I'm really excited. I am here with Stan from T-Shirt Side Hustle. This is actually somebody I used to watch before I bought my first heat press, so this is super dope. Just gonna ask him a couple questions. How you enjoying your day today, bro, at the Impressions Expo?
The shows is always busy for me, so I walked away from you. I said I'll be right back. I done talked to 30 people that had a bunch of conversations, but it's good for me. I like to get out and meet people like yourself who I've inspired to get into the industry. The whole dynamics has changed over the years since I've been coming to this show specifically, but it's great, man.
Is that a big motivator for you, the people that come up to you and like give you your flowers?
Yeah, it grounds me, man. It grounds me. And I'm always, I'm amongst the people. So, I'm making sure that this industry was accessible before because it wasn't. When I say the dynamics change, you wouldn't see people your age or younger or a certain demographic. It was all older. And now you look around and there's people from all walks of life. It's just totally changed. So hearing the different people that have impacted and stuff like that is definitely something that keeps me going. So sometimes people don't think we need it, but we also need it in return. So it's great to hear stories and just help more people.
It's dope, bro, because like I get those types of comments too.
Yeah.
And it's just like you sparked that, and it's just that chain reaction. That's why people like you are very important, and it's very rare to come across those people, especially with how messed up the world is right now. We need people to come in, just letting people know, hey, it's possible. You could do this. Especially right now, like we're going back to the barter system. Like if you have a skill you can offer, you're gonna survive. If you don't, I don't know what to tell you. So that's why channels like yours are very important, because they're one click away. They can watch a YouTube video and they got a side hustle.
You gotta give value, man. I think no matter what. So one of the things I've been working on is like, how do I make this a service, right? Getting very clear about who I want to work with, what type of customers in the business, different things like that. It's really, really important. But I agree with you wholeheartedly. We are definitely at a point where if you're not providing some type of value, you end up falling behind. So these shows are important to expand that education. And yeah, man, I started this whole thing to help people make $300,000, $500,000 to make the bills hit less. I knew, I got people that I was taught and got into the industry that got $1 million shops now. But, it's all starts from that start of the idea and kind of getting that information to get you started.
So when you started making clothes, did you go right into content, or you already like started?
Nah, so I started in 2009. I didn't get on YouTube till 2017. So I started learning in 2009. I started taking it serious in 2011. I had no plans on creating T-shirts. I was trying to promote my photography business.
Bro, that's what happened to me, bro. I was a videographer for like 10 years, bro. And it started because I just wanted to make shirts to promote the videography business. And then somebody came and actually
Can you do mine?
What happened was somebody bought one of my shirts for their cousin for their birthday. So when I was like, yo, somebody just bought my shirt as a birthday gift, I was like, yo, this is bigger than just trying to make some merch for.
That's wild. That's wild because mine was, it was a dope logo, like Stan Banks Photography. It looks real luxury. So it's Stan Banks Photography on there, and I sold a dozen. I sold 2 dozen. I sold 4 dozen. I looked at like, why is people buying a logo that's for photography with my name on it, literally my name on it, and I'm running.
They had your name on it.
Yeah,
they were buying you. They weren't buying. The product was a tangible item to make them feel like they were a part of something.
So then from there, I looked up and I was like, this T-shirt easier than any other hustle that I had. So then it's like, well, can you make mine? Can you make mine? I didn't know how to print, but I just said, yeah, I sold them, but I knew where to get them printed from. So I wasn't even making a ton of money. I just added $1 on what the lady charged me. I charged for artwork. I charged for the screen fee. So I was coming out like $100 per job at that point. You get 4, 5 of them and you just, you a kid at this point just moving around. It just starts to be like, okay, how can I get 10 this day? Or how can I get 10 jobs this week? How can I get 5 more? Whatever, just adding it up. So that's kind of how I got started. Photography got me there.
So like for people that are like getting into this niche, what's like an easy way for them to start making money like immediately?
Well, just sell. Just start selling, right? Learn how to make a little bit, like get a little bit hands-on, vinyl, whatever. None of that matters, man. Just go out and say yes, right? And you want to say yes to bigger jobs. I got to correct myself because I told somebody to say yes, and they said yes to something that did not make sense. But if somebody asks you if you can do it, I was selling it before I knew how to do any of this stuff, get hands-on to anything. So I knew a place to go get it printed. I knew I had an end buyer. I had my money on top, and then I got more educated along the way as I was selling. So I was getting paid to learn is like the best on-the-job training that you can get. And usually if you do it all right, you can mess up sometimes and still come out on top. You mess up half the order, you still will be in a profit if you're pricing it and doing all that stuff accordingly. So just get started, man. Sell, and build relationships, man. Come out to events like this, connect with people online, and try to do it in person is more important. But outside of that, man, once you connect with people, all the information is there, man. It's always somebody there with a handout willing to help. Anybody can reach out to me. I don't walk people through jobs and different things like that, but we really just trying to grow our brands, our businesses to whatever level that we find or we just find that success.
Well, yeah, about 2 more questions and I'll get you out of here. I know you got to say what's up.
Man. You good.
So for me personally, I'm becoming an educator in this space. I'm doing my thing. What advice do you have for me to basically keep scaling and not burn out?
Yeah.
Like those are the 2 things that right now are starting to I'm gonna have to juggle with soon.
Yeah, so a part of it is, you got the content piece down, right? You make amazing content, way better than what I do. I couldn't multiply myself. Like it would take me a day to do a whole video. My background's not in video, so you got that piece down, man. Just keep your business tight. Understand the journey of where you want to take people. And that'll help. You're already doing some of the right things. You're selling your own vinyl, your own brand and stuff like that. Keep expanding upon that slowly but surely. You educating people. So as they see what you're doing, you're teaching them. You also are giving them the products that they need to do the job. That's going to help you grow. It's going to help them grow. It'll allow you the time and the money to invest back more into your content. So maybe you're able to bring on somebody that can do your editing and kind of buy back some of your time. That was one of the major things. 2 years.
That's my goal this year is to buy back some of my time because I know what I can do if I could just worry about being creative and just providing value.
Continue expanding upon your products, man. Like if I give any content creators the advice, and this is one of the things that I got into it for is like own the customer, right? Own the people that you're educating. It's not even that. It's mutually beneficial. I'm helping you make money. You buy it. All I'm asking you to do is come buy your vinyl from me, right? And
which is what they've been doing.
Yeah,
so
and it goes full circle and allows you to grow in what you're doing. So
it's crazy that you mentioned that because when I have somebody that buys vinyl off me, first they bought it because they fell in love with like the brand, right? With the just the recipe, and then my favorite part is when they're having a dilemma and they reach out because it gives me a chance to connect with them either for them. Because then it just makes that bond stronger. And 10 times out of 10, that person will offer me again.
Yeah, you're going to get the repeat. And that's the thing. You retain the lifetime value to customers where we're losing out on content creation. And I help start a lot of the affiliate programs and stuff like that. It's like, man, these people and these companies don't really care. They don't really understand what we go through. They just there to sell you a product. From the cheapest product to any of these big machines on here. Once that salesperson gets to sell, that you on your own almost, right? And we not doing it for that. We get it on the backside of, man, hopefully I'm going to educate you no matter what, but hopefully you can come support in other ways. And that's a good thing. And I would just keep expanding upon that, what you offer. So I started mine last year called Marathon Supply. And I got equipment on there. So all the same stuff that these.
Where can they find it at?
Marathon.supply. So Marathon.supply is Marathon.supply on Instagram. Connect with me, t-shirt, side hustle. I got my education class and stuff like that, bro. Just keep doing it. You got the leg up, man. You guys got the ball now, so you guys get to take it and elevate on what I've done for you. You get to elevate. And in football, we call it a coaching tree. Deion Sanders now has a coaching tree under him where those guys are going to go off and do their thing. It's the same thing, man. You got to keep on giving and keep networking and keep sharing information.
No, I appreciate your time, bro. Real talk. And this is the beginning, bro.
I'm here. I'm watching.
We're about to be doing this a couple of times.
I'm a fan. I'm going to get you on the podcast. We just started a podcast last week.
I seen that.
Called Art of Hustle. So we're going to start really heavy in the t-shirt industry, but it's really going to give me the platform. I do so much more like inside of companies and consultants. It's going to give me a lot more leg room to kind of give you guys some of that real information that's needed. And, keep traveling, keep going to shows, and keep doing your thing, fam. I'm here at the Circle Clothing booth at the Impressions Expo, Long Beach, California. 2024, I'm here to show them a little bit of some of the stuff that I put my personal DNA into.
You guys got to see.
Let me not say that. But seriously, I actually helped develop and design these blanks that I'm going to show you guys right now. Up first, we got our French Terry. This is called the perfect Terry right here, right? It got the above the knee shirt fit. I went with a different top, right? So we in LA right now. The weather is beautiful. In the nighttime, all day you might wear the shorts and the t-shirt. In the nighttime, you want to put something a little heavy on, but not too heavy. So this is a perfect combo.
You did your thing on the cuts.
Yeah. I really worked on that one right there. Oh, come on, we It's all good, bro. So up next, we got the active fleece. So the active fleece,
This is I need this.
I designed this because typically you only get these in polyester, right? You only get them in polyester, and this one is 100% cotton facing. So everything on the surface is cotton. So that means you can do all of the different print methods with it. You don't got to worry about it discharging or any dye migration or thing like that. Jogger,
So you thought of everything then, huh?
jogger fit, a fitted joint. So if you got a client that may be a gym or you own a gym and you want something that you can get that's going to give you that like workout type of feel, that's why he came up with the active fleece. Right here, you see the cuts there, more fashion forward, a little bit more trendy.
It's the cut that you need for it to lay on the sneakers. Right?
Yep, perfect. And then I renamed this product. So when I met them, they had this this is the new one, but let me give you here, feel this fleece right here. This is the perfect fleece.
Oh yeah.
The best.
I gotta let the cameraman feel it. Feel that.
The best all-purpose fleece. What I mean by that is it's as durable as a gilding, but it's as soft as a Bella canvas style. Like when you put it on the inside, the surface of it, and so it's really durable. Color range, amazing. Joggers to match those. Nice fit right here on these joggers as well.
What's the max heat like for the heat press that you'd recommend on these garments?
I mean, you're gonna be perfect at the 320s, right? I don't think we're not pressing much over 320.
Yeah.
So at 320, it's gonna handle it well. The DTG, again, everything is 100% cotton facing, so the DTG and all of that stuff is gonna lay on it really nice. This is the new one right here. That's the heavyweight.
Oh.
Yeah.
I need this one.
Trust me, the way these joints feel in comparison to what's on the market, put a lot of time and effort into it, man. No peeling. You know what peeling is? When you hold cotton up and you look at it, you see those little cotton balls and different things like that. All that taken care of, man. The best feeling fabrics in the market.
Yeah, this feels nice. I need this. So,
we got a few more new products. There's a streetwear t-shirt and stuff over there. It's like really hectic over there. But yeah, check them out, circleclothing.com.
so are they available right now?
They're available. We're going to get you an affiliate deal. So you send anybody over, we're going to make sure you get your cut of it. So make sure.
Well, you heard it here first.
Linked up in the bio, down in the description, wherever he put this at, man. Find out.
I got
a way to support him.
We're doing them a favor by putting this in front of their faces, bro. I'm telling you.
Indeed.
This is essential.
And it's important to me that it all gets reciprocated. So make sure y'all, whenever he posts it, he should have a link if it ever gets posted. If it don't get posted,
It'll be
you'll never know.
It'll be down there. I got you guys.
Yeah, man. So I wanted to show you some of the stuff that I worked on, and this is a tale of what you may end up doing one day where you connect with somebody who sees the vision and understanding, and you'll be able to design some blanks and different things like that yourself.
Besides this, what else you got planned for 2024? What's on your agenda?
Man, I'm trying to help more people with more hands-on approach, man, creating solutions. So I've talked to people for years at this point. So now I'm really trying to get hands-on and doing right now. The first quarter is dedicated to clarity, people to really understand what they're doing in business, no matter what segment they're into, but really having a plan to go attack the goals that they want to achieve. So helping them gain that.
That's really smart, bro. Because a lot of people don't come up with structure, and you're spending a whole quarter just trying to clarify. Like that's essential, bro. That's quality.
That's your pace, right? But even like people who are selling stuff, they don't have clarity, right? I've consulted $1 million shops that they making money, but when they sat down, they weren't making money. So it's a lot of that stuff that goes into like really understanding and looking at the business. But you gotta have that structure and understanding about what you're doing, because how you market to a clothing brand and how you market to a business and a school, it's all different. Where you're going to show up to get that type of work is different. If you have a brand, the type of sub-blanks that you're going to use based on the structure and style of what you're trying to have your end consumer do, it's different. We always want that one size fits all, but you really have to tailor something to what it is that you are actually doing to your specific case.
That makes sense, bro. You're lucky that was free.
Left you speechless.
I know. You're lucky that was free. Yeah. I appreciate you, bro.
No, man.